Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I have a TikTok shop haul to share with you. Now I do buy some of my crafty items on there, and I am going to show you one of my favorite shops. I've been buying from Alex for, well, it's been a few years now, but let me show you what came in my package. Alright, let's check it out. So first thing I want to share, this shop is called ALXDIYSHOP, and I really love the shop. Now this one, in case you didn't know, a lot of the shops in TikTok are from China, so this one does come from China. But I do love how they package. It always packages so well for me. Move this aside. So the first thing I want to share are these beadable pin extenders, and I got the small. They had two sizes, one a little bigger than this, but these are extenders, so you can make your beadable pin bigger, and you get 50 of them. Look at that, real nice quality. It just got a hole down on there, so I gotta be careful. So I got that. Now look at these. I saw these, I had to have these. Now these are $10 because you get, I got 2 orders of this. So look at that. Let me show you how it looks. Now these are super pretty. I love how they got the little gold on there. But look at these. How pretty are those? They got a nice AB shine to them. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. And this one comes in, so you got your blues, your mints, your pinks, purples, yellows. Beautiful. Love that. And like I said, this was $10 because I got two packs of it. So I got those ones. Beautiful. I love it. And then the next thing I hauled is these little, they're like spacer beads. And these were $4. Look at that. And look how cute those are. Look how pretty. So I'll show you these ones here. These ones also got a little shine. Look at that. Beautiful. These are beautiful. Let me show you a few, and these do fit the beadable pins. Look at that. How nice is that? So you also got, it's almost like a cat eye. Real nice. Love. Got those ones. The next one I hauled is this Tigger colorful beads. I love Winnie the Pooh, so I got these. And this one, they remind me like gum, like chewing gum. But look at that. So you got the blue, like the lime, a pink. Look at that. And I love the shine. I don't know if the video does the shine any justice, but I love the shine. Love it. And like I said, these were $4 for those. Next thing I hauled is this fancy bead. Look at that. I thought this was super pretty. And this is the owl. And this is the back part. Let me show you these. Now these I sometimes make myself, but I saw this one and I thought it was super pretty. Look at that. So the moon and owl. Love. And it's a good size. This one I believe was, I want to say maybe $2, give or take. Oh wow, look at these beads. These are almost like, these are like cat eyes, and these were also $4. Look at that. How pretty are those? Look at that. So pretty. Put it in there. You can see some of them. Look at that. So pretty. I love it. And it looks like I want to glue my beadable pin. It's coming apart. But I love it. Look at those. Alright, let me show you what's left in here. I bought some fancy ones. Now these were all $1 each. But if you buy more, you save more. Okay? But if you just buy, I don't know what the amount that you have to buy, but you do save the more that you buy. Okay? Let me show you some of these. And they're all different. A lot of them are different. But look at these. Now these also you can make, well I can make also, but look at that. How pretty is that? Got the pretty butterflies on there. Like I said, these were $1 each. And then I got this one. There's a lot of diamonds. Look at that. And it is with gold. So pretty. So pretty. Also got those ones. Look at that. How pretty is that? So gorgeous. Let me put this one here so you can see this one. And all of these do fit on pins. So gorgeous. And these are, they're put together by hand, so that's why they are $1. Look at that. How pretty. So pretty. With those. Got these ones here. Real nice. Love it. So yeah, so those, I got those ones. Let me show you some of the other ones. I mean, some of these you could also get off of Temu also. Because I have seen them on Temu. Look at that bag of goodies. Let me show you these three here since I already came out. Look at those. These are 3 different ones. So pretty. Love it. They got them gold and silver. They look really delicate. Oh, check these ones out. They also have them in the bowl. Look at that heart bow. Even got hearts in the back. Look at that. So yeah, real nice. And a lot of them are the same stuff as I already showed. But I will link their shop below. So if you do have TikTok, you can go ahead and check them out. But this is, I've been going to their shop forever. So yeah, that is real nice. So that is my little Alex shop haul. Well, it's not so little, just that individual. I will link everything below so that if you want to, and they do lives every day almost, basically, like around this time. Well, like noonish. I'm Central Time, so around 1 or 2 they're around to do lives. If you have the WhatsApp, you can go ahead and add them and chit chat with them, and they'll let you know when they do lives, or send them a message on TikTok. And like I said, you have to have TikTok to be able to shop at their shop. And yeah, with that, make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up so I know that you like the video. And if you want to see some more stuff that I get from TikTok, let me know, because I'm always buying off a TikTok shop. I have some of the, I do chit chat with some of the stores that I shop at, so just let me know in the comments. And yeah, make sure you subscribe so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.